Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are reading IPC, being a student of LLB, LLM, or if you are preparing for any other exams and reading IPC, I know your pain. It has 511 sections and it becomes quite difficult to remember the sections and what all provisions we have. And one of the most important parts of IPC is general exceptions. We have 10 different types of general exceptions under IPC, and sometimes it becomes too difficult to remember them in a sequence along with the sections. So in today's video, I have a very easy and a very simple way for you by which you can remember all these 10 different general exceptions and in a proper sequence. So why is it important to remember them in a sequence? Because it will make it easier for you to remember the sections as well. So without any more delays, let's see the process how you can remember the general exceptions very easily. If you find this video helpful and interesting, make sure to share it with your friends as well. So the process that we are going to follow to remember all these general exceptions is MJ and CUI cap. Now it may sound a little complicated at the first go, but let me make it simple for you. MJ as in initials of Michael's action, N like we used, right? A, N, like that you can remember Michael's action, and CUI cap like cap that we wear, right? And then CUI, it's like basically ICU, it's written in a different way. Okay, so MJ, Michael's action, and CUI cap. It's very simple, right? Rather than remembering all those 10 different exceptions, it's way more easier to remember this Michael's action and CUI cap. Now if you can remember this Michael's action and CUI cap, you will be able to guess all of these general exceptions, as in M for mistake of fact, J for judicial act, A for accident, N for necessity, C for child, U for unsound mind, I for intoxication, C for contempt, A for act causing slight harm, and P for private defense. So it's very simple, right? MJ and CUI cap, Michael's action and CUI cap, and we'll have all the general exceptions ready for us. So that's all for this video. Bye bye.